I ain't had nothing to drink in 5 fucking days. I got a sink in there though. I need money. Pay for my rock and roll education. And I'm all singing this song right here because Jesus come in there a minute ago and said, "Let me see your hand." I said, "What?" "Let me see your hand." I said, "All right, here you go, Jesus. I'm going to take you by the hand. Walk with me, boy." "All right, dude. Walk with me for a while, for a long while." You know, I've been doing it for a while. "And I'm going to put this light inside of you. You're going to let it shine." I said, "All right, okay." 5 minutes later, the devil comes up. "Hey, boy." I said, "Yeah." He said, "I see you got that light." I said, "Yeah." I said, "I like it. Looks good on you." I said, "Right on." He said, "I got a light too." "All right." And we just kept walking together. Me, devil, and Jesus. Is that the right order? You want it to Jesus and the devil and me. Jesus and the devil and me. And Jesus, the devil, and me. Well, it was all that we had at the time of the plan. We were gathering our disciples soon, and we were going to rise. Who was that? I don't know who the hell that was. But we just kept walking on up, and we didn't back down. Just kind of like Jefferson's, you know. We were moving on up, knocking back down. You know, we didn't go like the Jeffersons or the Jacksons. We went like the Jasons. And we went. So I said, "Well, let's just call it an auction because we're selling all this shit. I can't go in there." And Jesus and the devil and me, we kept walking, tall. It was the Jesus. It was the Jesus. It was me. Where'd the devil go? Well, hell, I am the king of soul. Did you eat some pie? Oh, that's just a 3.14. Here we go. Hey, get out of the fire, boy. Quit playing with yourself. Got the light inside! Got the light inside! The lies of the lies of many men! I've got to dance! I've got to dance! Until it goes out! Out! I've got to dance! Until the fire goes out. Just stop, drop and roll. No, I don't. I just gotta keep rocking till it rolls. And it never gets old. You live forever in that music box. And I've been singing in that tin can for years. And I'm like, well. Constant sorrow, man. And old man, just sitting there, no word about him. He's singing along. Hell, he's fine to listen to him, man. He's just as happy he has that old Rockin' Robin. That was the first one, right? Yeah, well, I was singing them birdie songs and making all kinds of sounds. Mom said, "Shut your mouth, boy. Shut your mouth, boy." And the neighbor just said, "Well, let him sing now." And old Charlie Daniels, he said, "You sign this and I sign that, and I'm going to take that fiddle from your golden feet, and I ain't going to be that." And they didn't pay me, though, and never did, son of a bitch. I was a kid in the back of that Cadillac. And I was just a woman. Now about 30 when I wrote my first song. I was talking to my old big old dog, singing, scratching your balls, licking your fleas, something like that, licking your balls, scratching your fleas. Steve Miller said, what? I forgot I was rocking. Sky! Climb on! Climb on! It's just a crime of America's century, boy. You see, the American dream has always been me. I'm the biggest charity case in the world. They call me Murdoch. I can fly for a plane, but I can't get a girl. I'm bullshit. I get them women. I'm rocking, rolling down the river. What'd you say, girl? You hungry? Rolling with some beaver. That's not nice. Well, I never got accused of being nice. Hell no, man. They call me bipolar and I'm ice. For all us to see, so frosty, so frosty. Jason C. 13.